Most guys don't realize how forgettable their compliments sound. They throw out lines like, "You're gorgeous" or "You're amazing," and yeah, it lands for a second, then it disappears. Nothing sticks. Why? Because it feels like they are trying to earn approval instead of expressing perspective. The energy gives it away, and attraction loses tension fast. Here's the shift most people miss. Women don't need to be placed on some perfect throne. They want to feel understood in the moment. They pay attention to tone, to presence, to how relaxed you are when you speak. When your words come from calm certainty, they stay in her mind longer than you think. Today, I'm sharing 3 compliments that create pull without making you look needy. Number 1. There's a quiet edge to you. I respect that. This moves away from surface-level looks and touches personality. It feels observant. It makes her pause and wonder what you noticed. Number 2. You carry yourself like you know exactly who you are. That's rare. Instead of reacting to her energy, you acknowledge it. You are not trying to control it. You are appreciating it. That flips the dynamic, and suddenly she leans in more. Number 3. You seem really comfortable around me. Good, not asked like a question, said like an observation. You are setting a tone instead of chasing reassurance. That subtle difference changes how the moment feels. These aren't just compliments, they are perspectives. They show awareness while keeping your frame steady. Speak slower, say less. Let your presence do most of the work. If this connected with you, drop a like, share it with someone who overthinks attraction, and follow for more talks on psychology, confidence, and real presence.